Handwriting in Microsoft OneNote is one of the coolest ways of taking notes. These handwritten notes can be converted to text with ease using OneNote's ink-to-text feature. However, one of the common problems encountered by the users is this feature sometimes does not work. So if the option is not working, or the OneNote ink-to-text feature is grayed out, this video tutorial will help you fix the problem. To start, launch your Microsoft OneNote in your desktop and open the document you're working on. Then make sure that your proofing language is set to English. Otherwise, OneNote will not recognize the handwritten text. You can check that by going to the Review tab, click Language, and select Set Proofing Language. When it is properly set to English, go to the Draw tab, then click on the Lasso Select icon in the top left corner of the screen. Highlight your handwritten text using the Lasso Select feature. Then right-click on the text and select Ink to Text. Alternatively, with the selected text, you can now click on the Ink to Text option in the Convert group as it is no longer grayed out. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.